Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. The cost of a Shiba Inu on Google, and WhatsApp will soon reach 1 cent. Shiba Inu is eager to work with Google as a partner. And if it does, WhatsApp? There is no way to prevent the token from reaching 1 cent. We'll also discuss the most recent changes to the Shiba Inu ecology. In this video, we'll discuss the Google cooperation with Shiba Inus and how soon the cost of WhatsApp will be $1. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. On Wednesday, the price of cryptocurrencies rose further due to improved investor sentiment, an increase in equities, and an impending Ethereum merger. Bitcoin passed the $23,000 milestone, but Ethereum saw a cooling-off period following a very strong uptrend. A more ecologically friendly proof-of-stake mechanism will replace Ethereum's energy-guzzling proof-of-work methodology as a result of the merger. On Wednesday, all the major cryptocurrency tokens were trading higher. The Avalanche rallied over 8%, while Cardano surged nearly 10%. While XRP rose 4%, Shiba Inu and Bitcoin both saw gains of over 6%. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies was trading higher at $1.12 trillion and had increased by nearly 5% over the previous day. The overall volume of Bitcoin traded, however, increased to around $129 billion. In the midst of this ecosystem's crypto crisis, there is good news for Shib investors. The Shiba Inu governance token, known as BONE, has achieved a new milestone in the extremely turbulent cryptocurrency market. Investors in Shib have almost surpassed the 50,000 threshold. Shib token achieving 2 million Shib investors and BONE gaining 50,000 backers are two milestones that set new records for Shib investors. In the Shibaswap ecosystem, Shiba Inu has introduced the governance token known as BONE. It enables Shib investors to vote on fresh and upcoming dog-eat-DAO propositions. It pairs well with the first two tokens and has a maximum supply of 250 million tokens. Shibarium employs BONE as the native gas token for conducting transactions on top of the blockchain with regard to circulation supply. Shiba Inu, a joke coin, is surprisingly doing well in the crypto crisis, outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin with a 31% price increase. Shib tokens are trading with a lot of selling pressure in the cryptocurrency market, but it has 4 separate projects to boost its price as a memecoin. Memecoin has a market worth of $6.84 billion, a volume of $755.94 million, and a price of $0.1246 at the time of writing. The price of the BONE is currently $0.52 with a market cap of $3,803,324 and a volume of $5,659,065 in the meantime. The trade volume of BONE reached 83% on July 1st within 24 hours after it was listed on the Canadian crypto exchange, also known as Pay. Early in June, BTCX, a Canadian platform for trading digital assets derivatives, announced the listing of BONE for cryptocurrency investors, particularly Shib investors. The BONE token has also gained by more than 10% since one of the top digital asset exchanges, MEXC Global, based in Singapore, added about 333,113 tokens to its wallets in June. Investors in Shib have voted to stop BONE farming at 230 million tokens in order to reserve the remaining 20 million for crypto market validators. Memecoin has chosen to compensate validators for validating transactions and adding new blocks with BONE tokens. The popularity of Shiba Inu's local decentralized exchange, known as Shibaswap, has increased demand for BONE. The Shiba Inu network that the BONE represents must be successful in order for it to succeed. To prevent any overmining of the token, the BONE farming will reduce the current minting pace to just 1 BPB BONE every block. As a result, Shib investors have done all necessary to ensure that it performs superbly as a meme coin in the extremely unpredictable crypto market, including digging up the BONE token and burning it. As the position strengthens, altcoins have begun to use it to turn the 50-day simple moving average into support. It is approaching the 100-day SMA, shielding SHIB investors from a potential sharp decline in price. According to Wikipedia, Estonia, a nation in Northern Europe, has more than 1,500 islands and borders the Baltic Sea and the Gulf of Finland. Its varied landscape includes lakes, old-growth forests, and rocky beaches. Shiba Inu Growth Community member Milkshake is negotiating with Switchery for a few companion SHIBs. The advancement follows Now Payments' collaboration with the Estonian exchange to introduce a new fiat payout option for the well-known cryptocurrency with a canine motif, as well as some other significant cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. On May 27th, the devoted Shib Growth Breed member let the Shiba Inu community know that, as promised, she would speak with Switchery Crypto Exchange the next week. A current update on the topic was provided by Milkshake in a tweet. She thanked Switchery Exchange for their good contact after a week and informed the Shiba Inu community that Switchery wants to assist the Shiba Inu ecosystem. In her tweet praising the conversation, the Shiba Inu Growing Breed member mentioned Switchery's official Twitter account. The best option to buy the most well-known cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, in the US is through Switchery, which was introduced in 2019. Euros or dollars. For purchases under €100, using a debit or credit card exchange does not require registration. Switchery may develop the Shiba Inu listing or any other crucial element for the Shiba Inu ecosystems, such as Now Payments and FCF Pay, while taking into account historical references. Payment gateway FCF Pay, situated in Canada, made its official announcement on May 17 that it would start accepting payments on March 22 via the Shib burning method. The burn capability for Shib and Leash has now been added by payments to its platform as an optional feature, allowing merchants to burn a percentage of the revenues they get in Shib or Leash. Bill Reddy, the president of commerce at Google, stated to Bloomberg in the beginning of 2002, "We want to assist in fostering connections. We have no competing interests." The corporation, best known for its mobile wallet and Google Pay system, has mainly shunned the cryptocurrency sector, but it just hired a former PayPal PYPL employee. Arnold Goldberg, a former executive of PayPal Holdings Incorporated, will now head up the company's payments section after earlier backing away from a push into banking. "We devote a lot of attention to crypto," according to Reddy. "We will change along with user demand and merchant demand as they do." Given Google's dominance in search and other internet services, Reddy claimed that a full embrace of cryptocurrency may be a game changer for the quickly expanding sector that is pushing for widespread use of the cryptocurrency. Google does have a sizable cash sheet and a sizable consumer base. Reddy stated that there are no plans to modify the fact that the technology giant does not charge transaction fees when using its mobile wallet. An inquiry for comment from the internet juggernaut was not promptly answered. To enable over 10 million customers to link their virtual Visa debit cards with Google Pay and make online purchases, Google and US-based crypto marketplace teamed together in October. Utilizing digital currency like Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies will automatically transform into government-backed fiat currency whenever payments are made after the government-backed cards are connected to Google's payment systems. Additionally, Google has teamed up with Coinbase and BitPay to store cryptocurrency on digital cards while preserving the ability for customers to pay with conventional currencies. There are several opportunities for Google to soon accept Shiba Inu as a form of payment. By far the most spectacular and unusual investment winner of 2021 is the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Shib's token price increased by over 44,600,000% during the course of the previous year, and some investors predict that its growth trend has only just begun since its victory. All cryptocurrency investors appear to be discussing the Shiba Inu token's potential for future growth. The financial sector, the media, and Shib have been pushing for the token to reach the $1 threshold ever since it demonstrated its genuine growth potential. Shiba Inu's price and value are currently steadily rising, and there are greater chances that Google may soon adopt the token. Moreover, WhatsApp is a payment option. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.